Every pilot must know what to do in the case of an engine failure. Today, we're going to practice a simulated engine failure in the RB7 WindDancer, coming up next on Tennessee Aero. In the RB7, best glide is 75 knots for an engine out. It also will give a little more distance traveled if we have the prop pulled back just a little bit so that it's wheeling. That will reduce the forward pressure and allow us to gain a little more glide distance. And in today's test, we're going to just line up with runway 2 since we have headwinds. Headwinds are pretty high right now at 25 knots. So we might come up a little bit short. We'll see. All right, we're making the turn now, 5 miles, nautical miles distance at 4,700, accounting for the 700-foot elevation for Ellington Airport.
47 kilo Romeo, final runway 02, full stop, Ellington. 717, clear 32, turning left downwind, runway 36 up. Franklin County, Southside Foxtrot, final runway 7, full stop.
Ellington traffic, 12 Sierra, 6 miles, 4,600 descending, simulated engine out, full stop, Ellington.
FAO traffic, Mitsubishi 252 Bravo Whiskey is left base final runway 02, failed. 7 River, 96 turning left base runway 36 up.
Ellington traffic, 12 Sierra, 4 miles, 2,900 descending, simulated engine out, full stop, Ellington. This doesn't, now for whatever reason, I'm falling faster this time. It doesn't look like I'm going to quite make it. Yeah, got a downdraft there. We are going to make it. Look at that. Yeah, I think I might have had a little power in it.
Shows up, Lunar 96, going to break off the pattern, rejoin editor behind 83 and 45.
Okay. Had a little less power in it that time. That was more correct. That configuration will work at any altitude, and you just have to know that this is the glide speed. Today we wanted to just verify the speeds and distances by the POH, and we did that. I'd like to maybe do another test with the glide advisor on ForeFlight. And we came at 5 miles, we came right in over the numbers at 75 knots. So that was a success, good experience. Didn't get to use the glide advisor this time, but we'll fly another mission, see what ForeFlight says about the glide advisor. I understand it works pretty good. Thank you for joining me today. And you've been watching Tennessee Aero.
Thanks for joining me today. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm Christopher Lynn Carter, and you've been watching Tennessee Aero.